Hey everybody, thanks for coming to dance with me. I'm Laura and today we're going to work on fast dancing. To learn how to fast dance is to fast dance. However, it's really hard to partner dance if you don't know how to solo dance. And so this is a drill that will really work on your own body movement and make you strong and agile. This is something that I did a whole lot back in the day because I didn't have a partner and I didn't get to go to very many events. I imagine that I'm like you and it's been a while since you fast danced or gone to an event, so this is perfect for a pandemic. We'll get back in shape together. Thank you to my patrons on Patreon for helping to make this happen, especially Paul Writing. He is not only a hero to me, but to the entire Lindy Hop scene. Check him out on Twitch, Paul Dances. If you want to be like Paul and help make videos like this free for everybody, the link's in the description. This particular drill is really working on follows, but leads can absolutely do it as well. What we're going to do is we're going to start with a simple sequence, first bouncing, then basic Charleston, then basic 8-count rhythm, then swivels, because you gotta know how to do swivels at 1,000,000 beats a minute. The songs are going to gradually increase in speed until we get insanely fast, and then it's going to come back down again. Sometimes the songs are going to be 32 bar, sometimes the songs are going to be blues structure. Just follow along, change when it sounds like you ought to change. Things to focus on. What I want you to do, especially if the song gets insane, is think slow thoughts. Be calm. And then hopefully this drill will also help you reevaluate what a fast song is. Because if you've been dancing at 310 beats per minute, suddenly 250 beats a minute is not that bad. It's all mental. Try to bounce such that your foot comes off the floor, makes a sound, and you can hear how good your rhythm is. Try to make that bounce consistent, whether you're doing triple steps, step steps, or kicks. Remember, you're still dancing to the same song. You want to see if you can make that bounce come from your butt instead of just moving your feet up and down. If you're having trouble, focus more on that butt bounce. The more you focus on that butt bounce, the more your feet will just automatically do what they need to do. Okay, let's do it. They're going to be two me's. One's going to be facing you, one's going to be facing away, but they're both going to be doing the same thing. Follow along with whatever me you want.
full of sweetness, I'm happy as can be, because that arm full of sweetness belongs to me. My perfect picture of neatness is with me constantly.
right, that was brutal. Let's move it back down again.
Laura, can I have some water? Immediately after doing that super fast song, I have to do it twice in a row so the lighting stays the same. Thank you, generous.
true. She meant me for someone exactly like you.
To whatever you need. Feel free to add variations, your favorite jazz moves, whatever you feel like you need to build strength, stamina, and agility for. If you liked it, hit like and subscribe. The algorithm loves that. Head on over to my Patreon, see what's going on over there. If you want t-shirts and prints and stuff like that, check out my merch. And of course, you know, the best way to learn how to dance is to dance.